Let's see the astronomical events in February 2024. Number 1. Lunar occultation of star Eris on February 5th. The moon will pass in front of star Eris, creating a lunar occultation that will be visible from Asia. Although the occultation will only be visible across parts of the world because the moon is so close to the earth that its position in the sky varies by as much as 2 degrees across the world. Hence, a close conjunction between the pair will be more widely visible in most of the part. Now, a lunar occultation in astronomy means when the moon appears to move in front of another object in the sky like a star, a planet or an asteroid. Since the moon is close to us, we see it move relatively fast even against other planets in the solar system. A lunar occultation of a star generally lasts for about an hour. The map here shows the visibility of the occultation across the world. Separate contours shows where the disappearance of star will take place and where its reappearance will take place and where we can see it. Number 2. New moon on February 10th. During the new moon, the sky will be pretty much dark and hence it will be the best time for stargazing and astrophotography activities. So you should not miss this chance. Number 3. Full moon on February 24th. The February full moon is named after the snow on the ground, hence it is also known as the snow moon. Some Native American tribes name this as the hunger moon and others call it as the storm moon.